Investing in traditional appreciating assets that pay consistent income will generate wealth over time. But alternative investments can be a great way to diversify one's portfolio while seeking to appreciate one's assets further. Alternative investments cover an entire spectrum of equity and asset types, from investing in private companies to investing in Bitcoin, metals, or even collectibles. But don't take these investment types for granted. This can be a lucrative type of investment. The end goal is the same: to create wealth while diversifying one's portfolio, investing in safe assets that appreciate over time and pay income. In this video, I will discuss investing in classic car shares via Rally Road, an alternative investment platform that lets you buy and sell equity shares in classic cars. Get ready, you are now entering the Academy. An alternative investment is a financial asset that does not fall into one of the conventional equity income cash categories. Private equity or venture capital, hedge funds, real property, commodities, and tangible assets are all examples of an alternative investment. Alternative investments can stem from investing in classic watches to collectibles and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Classic cars have always been considered an alternative investment of sorts. Many car enthusiasts pour thousands and sometimes hundreds of thousands into their vehicle to either purchase a classic or modify their vehicles in some way. Now, this form of alternative investing comes to those investors who love cars but do not have the financial assets to be able to purchase these cars outright. By allowing each investor to purchase equity or shares of a vehicle, now any investor can own a piece of their dream car or even multiple classical cars and treat this as an alternative investment to diversify their portfolios further. Imagine being able to invest in classic cars such as a 1985 Ferrari or a 1955 Porsche, but don't have the money to buy these cars outright? Meet Rally Road, a company that lets investors buy a real equity stake in a classic car for as little as $50. Here's how it works. Rally Road finds a classic car for sale and creates a new equity, a subsidiary of an LLC whose sole function is to hold the car's title. The startup then holds an SEC registered offering where potential investors can view details about the car and, if desired, purchase one or more of 2,000 equity shares in the entity that holds the car's title. During the offering, you can see the car's history, like who has owned it in the past, and the value of similar cars sold over time, so investors can get a sense of historical pricing. When the offering is completed, there's a 3-month hold period, after which Rally Road's app provides a monthly trading window where new users can place bids and existing investors can place asks, allowing the equity shares to be traded on a marketplace. All trades are settled through a registered broker-dealer, and the SEC permits any level of investor to participate in the offering and second market trading platform as long as they pledge to not invest more than 10% of their net worth. The cars are 100% owned by the special purpose entity, which in turn is 100% owned by the investors that hold the 2,000 shares of stock. Registering for Rally Road is easy. After a few simple questions, an investor needs to link their bank information for providing funds to the platform. Once the account has been linked, they are now ready to start investing in their favorite classic vehicles. There are a number of classic cars to choose to invest from, named assets. Once a vehicle is selected, if the vehicle hasn't already had its initial offering, the investor may choose to be notified for when this event will occur, where the investor can be part of the initial offering to purchase shares at an agreed upon initial pricing. After this initial offering, a 3-month holding period occurs, after which regular trading windows to purchase or sell shares of the vehicle occur 1 day out of every month. Inside each vehicle's portal, an investor can see the current market value of the vehicle, as well as either become notified when the car will be active or when the next trading window will occur. The next window shows the comparable asset value of the vehicle over time, including information on sales of similar models in auctions, for example, how many transactions occurred, and the total asset value gain or loss. A bio of the vehicle shows the history of the vehicle, including any well-known owners of the classic car, as well as the financials, specifications, and other specific information on the technicals of the vehicle. A timeline shows the debut of the car, successive owners, as well as maintenance information, alterations made, and any other information you can think of. Service reports are even included for each and every vehicle on Rally Road. Each vehicle portal also includes a gallery of photos and videos showcasing each classical car. Alternative investments can be yet another form of investing to diversifying your portfolio. Similar investment strategies mentioned in the 10X Academy channel can also be used and applied when investing in these types of assets. Some of these strategies include value investing, dollar cost averaging, dividend reinvestment, and diversification. The key is to invest into low risk assets and minimize exposure to alternative investments to at most 10% of your overall portfolio. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get started on investing in classical vehicles such as the 99 Shelby Series 1, an 85 Ferrari Testarossa, or an 88 Porsche 944 Turbo S. Owning equity in these vehicles is now only one click away. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm to promote more wealth creation videos to the masses. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.